All right. So, making this video, looking at sometimes your mic goes weird in Meet. So I'm actually kind of in the waiting room before you go into a Meet. Sometimes you click on it and it asks you to join now. So when you're in this waiting room, you can do some playing with your mic without everybody else in the class hearing you, which is sometimes good. And mics are sometimes a bit weird in Meet. It sometimes needs you to pick it even though it's working. So you can tell your mic is working if you're getting little green lines right here. So that's when you're testing, so it can hear me and it's picking me up. And then you can turn it off and you see the little green lines go away. You turn it back on, you see your little green lines go there. Now, if that's not working and the little green lines aren't there, make sure you hit allow. If it pops up a little thing here that says allow. Now, if you accidentally hit no on that allow, and this sometimes happens, not your fault, sometimes it pops up really fast, you can click on the little lock there, and you can check right in here for allow, because it might be that you accidentally blocked your mic from Meet, because there was just a quick pop-up and you're trying to get into class, and I totally get it. So you check there first, make sure it's allow, and you might have to reload. Just making sure that didn't break my recording. Teachers, we're all learning in this world. And my little green dot, okay, so it might be that. If it's not that, another thing to check is under these three dots here, you have more options. And you can go to settings. And you can, sometimes there's a default and then it's the exact same one, but you just have to pick it. And then you can check with your little three dots here and check again. So sometimes, even though it's the exact same thing, like if I click there, it's the exact same thing. There's only one microphone. It just wants you to, it's almost like a confirmation. Yes, that is my mic. So try that. The other thing you could do if Meet is still causing grief, because individual settings on individual computers, who the heck knows sometimes. If you have a pair of headphones that go with your phone, these ones came with my phone. So, and these ones have a little mic in them. So I could plug that in and use that as my mic as well. Just as another option if the one that's built in is just causing so much grief. But I'm going to guess somewhere between those three dots and picking the mic that you already have picked, and maybe up here in the little lock, and maybe it perhaps isn't allowed for this particular website, because if it's working on some and not working on others, it could just be that little allow permission right there. So that is my best advice. See how that works. And let me know if it doesn't. I can try something else, but I'm kind of out of options. That's where I went with, go with a different microphone. So a few ideas, and hopefully that works.